Thutha wa utuku muraihu thero-ini na gucoka kurokio igoti-ini ria Milimani, Minista wa kigina Henry Rotich, mwandiki mukaru Kamau Thugge na ekwirwo angi nimarekererio na mbondi. Igoti rireketie Rotich na Thugge na mbondi ya ciringi mirioni 50 kana mbeca baribari mirioni 15 o umwe wao.
Accused 4 to accused 16 who are charged with the abuse of office and failure to comply with various sections of ASECA are to be admitted to a bond of 5 million with one surety of similar amount, alternatively a cash bail of Kenya shillings 2 million.
Mangetheirwo ni thitango cia ungumania wa kigina kia makiria ma ciringi mbilioni 60 cia waki wa ndemu ya Kimwarer na Arror, tabarĩra yari yambĩrĩirie mwaka wa 2017.
Each accused is required not to destroy any evidence in whatever form. If adequately brought to the attention of the court, such bond terms will be revoked and such accused will be denied bail till the determination of the case.
Utongoretio ni wakiri Ali Twaib, mwena wa thitango ugite thitango cia ekwirwo ni itumite thirikari ite mbeca nyingi kandarathi ni igirire ciahetwo kambuni ya Italy kuria mbilioni 19 itoikaine kuria ciorire. Mwena wa thitango ni wiranĩire kuhanyukia cira ucio, amu wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi na uthuthuria wa ngero cia wikina DCI ihetwo mathaa 14 kuneana maratathi mothe maria mahutitie cira ucio. Ekwirwo aria matari mareneana kuri ruhonge rwa thirikari mahetwo nginyagia tariki 26 gukorwo mekinye wabici-ini cia DCI kana maikio ngono.
Where I have included some of the accused who have not taken plea, their release order will be signed and approved on the satisfaction from the IO that they have reported to the DCI and have been processed.
Kuhete rutha amandiki kumariha nuthu mucara nginyagia riria cira wao karika. Ekwirwo magacoka igoti-ini tariki 8 mweri wa kanana. Ngiribotera Arror TV, njitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.